Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build passive income with Shutterfly easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Shutterfly website. Create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Click on products to explore the available options. Choose a product you want to create, such as photo books, cards, or gifts. Upload your images from your computer or mobile device. Select the design and layout that you prefer. Customize your product by adding text, colors, and other elements. Review your design to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, add the product to your cart. Now, you will need to set up a storefront. Access the Shutterfly Partner Program page. Sign up for the program to gain affiliate access. Once approved, use the tools provided to create your storefront. Share your unique storefront link on social media and other platforms. Encourage friends, family, and followers to check it out. As people purchase items through your link, you'll earn commissions. Consider creating seasonal or themed products to attract more buyers. Keep track of your earnings through the Shutterfly dashboard. Regularly promote your storefront with new designs to maintain interest. Engage with your audience to build a loyal customer base. Stay updated with Shutterfly's trending products for potential ideas. Monitor your affiliate performance to refine your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively build passive income with Shutterfly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.